Hi, Bud Pike here. See, I want to talk to you about this stuff here, right? All this paper money, how much, maybe you've got a bunch of this stuff around your house, huh? Well, what are we going to do with all that stuff when they're going to print over 2-3 trillion more dollars of it and dump that into the marketplace? Well, this is good to have so long as it's worth anything, but if you've seen how the prices are going, the gas, food, everything's going up. In Germany, they had a problem with money, and so they just printed more. Something like this guy here, I know it's kind of far away from you. They printed this out, it was 1,000 marks. And their inflation was going so rapid that they had to return these to the mint, that they were mint or print office, what have you, and stamp them and call it 1,000,000 marks. Just a red stamp. There's a real good chance that that's what we're going to have to do to these. We're going to have to take the 20s and turn them into 100 and then stamp them as $1,000,000 because it costs $2,000,000 to fill your car up, right? So my suggestion, 7K metals. Turn around, start buying silver and gold or these collection items. This collection item here is the celebration of September 11th, so I thought it was a good idea to bring this up now. They've also got another collection. Got this silver note for 9/11. You can also buy silver in these rounds, silver dollars. Basically, this is just silver, so it's just the weight. It's not necessarily just because it's round and doesn't necessarily mean it's a coin. These are kind of heavy as well. This is pretty heavy as well. But this company is really something else. And they've got a lot of other things that they've got going on too. It's just a membership so that you can do dealer direct buying. That's basically all this is. Only you can turn quite a collection into something you can be really proud of. I mean, these are really great. And the detail, 7K metals is also one of the only I think one of the only distributors that's getting their logo actually on the coin at the mint. That's quite an honor. So they're a legit company. They certainly are. So anyways, that's what you need to do. Take this pile of cash that's losing value every day and start filling up your coffers with silver and gold. Okay? I'm going to put a link somewhere and check it out.